Congratulations! Congratulations!
Ay, thank you, Pipa. Okay, but...
Congrats, baby!
Thank you. Nanay, you just thought what I
That's all I
manifested.
own.
Good. You just thought what?
Nanay, you just thought what I manifested will become 1 medal lang.
Tini, oh,
But
very
in reality, it's 3 medals.
Oh, say something, valedictory speech mo.
O, speech sa mga nag-ano sa mo.
Thank you everybody for sponsoring me.
Sponsor? No sponsor nila.
For your
I'm
support lang.
supporting me. Thank you everybody.
For your support and prayer.
For your support and prayers. Thank you everybody.
Make a wish. Anong pang wish mo?
Ay, ang ano ka dyan, ang importante si God ka dyan, pasalamatan mo, si God na kayo mo, sila na.
So, Burgos Beach eh. Nag-wish ka na? Ano wish mo?
I wish to have more medals next time.
What will you do?
Be better at chess para magka-chess medal ako.
Yeah. Basta enjoy lang while learning, no?
Study more.
Bibla, grabe bla.